Okay, guys, so we go on to the next question. Find the minimum value of x plus 1 upon x. Okay, there's a condition here given that x should be greater than 0. Okay, now you can take values from 0 to 1 and check, right? Agar 0 liya to khair to not defined hoga. Okay, if you take any other, let's say if you take a fraction value, let's say if you take 1 by 2, तो ये हो जाएगा 1 by 2 plus 1 plus inverse of 1 by 2. 1 upon 1 by 2 is nothing but 2. तो ये होगा 2.5, right? बढ़ गया value, right? So as and when if you take more fractions, the value will keep on increasing, right? Let's say अगर आपने 1 by 3 ले लिया, so it will be 1 by 3 plus 1 upon 1 by 3 will be 3 only. So ये 3.33 हो जाएगा, बढ़ जाएगा, right? So it will keep on increasing. If you take, let's say, equal to 1 only. So x plus 1 upon x कितना हो जाएगा? 1 plus 1 upon 1 will be equal to 2. ओके अब अगर हम वैल्यू बढ़ाएंगे x की, सपोज 2 किया तो 2 plus 1 upon 2 हो जाएगा, 3 किया 3 plus 1 upon 3 हो जाएगा. It will keep on increasing, right? So minimum value is nothing but 2. Okay, if you're not convinced, you can use the second approach. Okay, there is something called as differentiation. You can differentiate this equation with respect to x. You will get 1 minus 1 upon x square. For maximum or minimum be equal to 0. X square will be equal to 1. X will be plus or minus 1. The question says x is positive, so x can't be minus 1. X is only equal to 1. So what is the minimum value? You resubstitute. You will get 1 plus 1 upon 1 equals to 2. Right? The best approach here is using the concept of AMGM. Right? For two positive numbers, x and 1 by x, okay, we will know that AM is greater than or equal to GM. Right? We of course know that. Okay, what is the arithmetic mean of these two numbers? The arithmetic mean will be x plus 1 upon x divided by 2. What's the geometric mean? Square root of x into 1 by x. AM is greater than GM. Okay. अब यहाँ पे x cancel हो जाएगा towards the right hand side. Okay, you will get x plus 1 upon x. Take 2 on the right hand side. You will get greater than or equal to 2. Okay, this tells us that the minimum value of x plus 1 upon x is 2, and that happens when x is equal to 1. Okay. Given that a, b, c, and d are positive integers, then find the minimum value of a square plus a plus 1 into b square plus b plus 1 up to e square plus b plus 1 divided by a, b, c, d. Okay. So, if you take this one term, पहले मैं एक term लेके दिखाता हूँ. If you take a square plus a plus 1 and you divide this with a, okay, separate the numerator. You will simply get a plus 1 upon a, right? Okay, so guys, if you observe, this is a plus 1 upon a plus 1. This is of the form x plus 1 upon x, right? Just now we saw x plus 1 upon x has a minimum value equals to 2. That happens when x is equal to 1. So at a is equal to 1, this will have minimum value 2. So this part of the bracket, okay, this will have a minimum value equal to 2 plus 1, which is 3. वैसे ही b square plus b plus 1 upon b will have value 3. इसका value भी 3 होगा, इसका भी 3, इसका भी 3. Right? So the final answer is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5 times 3 power 5. Okay, the answer is 243. Okay, this is one way to solve the question. The other way is if a, b, c, d are positive integers, minimum value कब होगा? जब सब minimum होंगे and equate them to equal to 1 integer बोला है तो, right? So everywhere it's basically 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? So ये पूरा 1 हो जाएगा. 1 square plus 1 plus 1, 3. 1 square plus 1 plus 1, 3. ये भी 3, ये भी 3, ये भी 3. Divide by 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5 बार. Right? So basically the numerator becomes 3 power 5, okay, or 243. As simple as that.